There was a girl named Valai Valayammai who was called Vali for short. She was 8 years old and very curious about things. Her favorite pastime was standing in front of a doorway of her house, watching what was happening in the street outside. There were no playmates of her own age on her street, and this was about all she had to do. So, this particular story is about a girl, and the name of the girl is Valaimai, और इसको प्यार से वाली बोलते थे. And she was an 8 year old girl, and like most children of this age, she was very curious about things. And her favorite pastime was to stand outside stand at the front doorway of her house. दरवाजे पे खड़े हो गए, and she used to watch the street outside. कि कुछ भी हो रहा है, तो just watching it, enjoying the scene. And why did she do this? Firstly, she liked it. That's why. And secondly, she had playmates. तो उसकी एज के कोई इतने बच्चे नहीं थे वहां पर. So she hardly had anything to do except for watching the street outside. But for Wali, standing at the front door was every bit as enjoyable as any of the elaborate games other children played. Watching the street gave her many new, unusual experiences. So for this child, जैसे खेल कर you tend to experience, you tend to enjoy. So depending upon the game that you play, you enjoy playing games. So she didn't play those games, but she used to merely stand in front of the door, and she used to enjoy that as well. बस सिर्फ देख रहे हैं और उसी में ही उसको बहुत मजा आता था. And playing, watching the street gave her new, unusual experiences. So the when she used to watch people on the street, she got new experience, and some of them were unusual. That means some of them she didn't expect. Usual होता है which is something which is regular, which happens often. Unusual जो कभी कभी चीजें होती हैं. So those are unusual experiences. The most fascinating thing of all was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. It passed through her street each hour, once going to the town and once coming back. The sight of the bus, filled each time with a new set of passengers, was a source of unending joy for Bali. तो सबसे ज्यादा मजा आता था उसको. She was most fascinated by watching the bus. कि a bus used to travel between her village and the nearest town. So normally buses fly करती हैं, probably even from your villages. So it passed through her street each hour, once going to the town and once coming back. So each hour she used to see at least two buses, at least one bus in each hour. और सबसे ज्यादा मजा आता था उसको in the source of unending joy for her was seeing new set of passengers. Every time the bus is ferrying new people, different kind of people. Day after day, she watched the bus, and gradually, a tiny wish crept into her head and grew there. She wanted to ride the bus, even if just once. So, when normally it tends to happen, when you see something, you start wishing that कि काश मेरे साथ में भी ये हो. तो advertisement देखोगे, probably about some adventure park, तो खुद का भी मन करता है कि मेरे को भी जाना है एडवेंचर पार्क. तो वैसे ही as she used to watch the buses, she now thought that even she wants to ride a bus, ride that particular bus at least once. कि कम से कम एक बार तो होता है ना बचपन में या कभी भी कि एक बार तो ये काम तो करके ही देखना है. तो similarly she also had such a dream in her mind कि at least once I'm going to ride this bus. And this wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. कि अब हर रोज she is watching the bus coming and going. So every time she saw the bus, it became the desire of riding that bus became stronger. तो आपको एडवर्टीजमेंट भी टीवी पर इसलिए दिखाते हैं बार बार में, so that your desire of doing a particular thing or eating a particular thing increases. So it became an overwhelming desire. So overwhelming desire is something which you cannot control. कि अब वो desire तो काबू के बाहर हो रहा है and you need to fulfill that desire. Wali would stare wistfully at the people who got on or off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. Their faces would kindle in her longings, dreams, and hopes. So she used to stare wistfully. That means she used to stare longingly. वो देखती रहती थी कि probably even I would one day travel in the bus. Their faces would kindle in her longings, dreams, and hopes. That means she would see those faces, see the faces of the passengers in her dreams and hopes. Whenever she used to dream about going into the bus, she would see those faces in the bus when she is also traveling in the bus. If one of her friends happened to ride the bus and tried to describe the sights of town to her, Wali would be too jealous to listen and would shout in English, "Proud, proud." Neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word, but they used it often as a slang expression of disapproval. So it often happens, कि आप जो करना चाहते हो, your friend does it first. और when your friend is telling that कि पता है मैं यहाँ पर घूम के आया, ये चीज मैंने की, so you tend to become too jealous. So even Wali became too jealous to listen. So when her friend was telling कि I went for a bus journey, I went to the town and I did all these things, then she became jealous and she used to shout proud, proud. अब प्राउड का मीनिंग तो कुछ और होता है, हाँ, बट ये जो बच्चे लोग हैं तो दे यूज्ड टू शाउट दिस. तो किसी को भी, ना तो दोस्तों को ना इसको मतलब कुछ नहीं पता था अबाउट व्हाट प्राउड मीन्स, बट दे क्रिएटेड देयर ओन मीनिंग इन दिस वर्ड कि व्हेनेवर समवन सेज प्राउड, दैट मीन्स इट इज एन एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ डिसअप्रूवल कि ये चीज मुझे पसंद नहीं आई है, तो अगर तुझे पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, यू शुड स्टार्ट शाउटिंग प्राउड, प्राउड. So it is a slang expression. तो slang होता है an informal form of language. तो जैसे कई बार कहते हैं ना कि क्यों की जगह काई को अगर बोल देते हैं तो it is a sort of slang. तो normally जो formal words होते हैं उनको modify करके थोड़ा सा informal way में अगर कहते हैं तो that is slang. Fine. Over many days and months, Wali listened carefully to the conversation between her neighbors and people who regularly use the bus. And she also asked a few discreet questions here and there. So, continuously, what she was doing, she was listening to the conversations. कि कोई भी अगर कोई भी travel करता है to a bus, especially her neighbors. So she used to listen to their conversation कि वो किस तरीके की बात कर रहे हैं, and she even used to ask discreet questions, means she used to ask them careful questions कि she wanted to know more about the bus journey कि किस तरीके से की जाती है, how much does it cost, what all the other things that you see during a bus journey, all such kind of questions. The way she picked up various small details about the bus journey, this way she picked up very small details. So by listening to conversations and by asking questions to people who have traveled by a bus, so she got to know various small details about the bus journey. So let us see what are the details that she found out. She found out that the town was 6 miles from her village. So that she got to know about the distance of the town from her village. The fare was 30 paise only. So the distance is 6 miles and the fare is 30 paise, which is almost nothing at all, she heard one well dressed man say. But to Wali, who scarcely saw that much money, from one month to next, it seemed a fortune. तो जैसी बात बात she used to listen to conversation. तो she heard someone saying कि इसका तो बस 30 पैसे फेयर है, तो that is nothing. 30 पैसे है क्या? लेकिन अब उसके लिए कुछ नहीं था. She is an 8-year-old girl and she didn't get any money. तो कुछ pocket money कुछ नहीं मिलता. तो obviously 30 पैसे is a lot of money for her. तो महीने में मतलब if she used to collect some money, हाँ, तो तब भी 30 पैसे नहीं हो रहे हैं. तो it was a fortune for her to get so much of money. So she heard one from a well-dressed man. So if a person is well-dressed, so there is an assumption that he must be having a lot of money as well, at least decent amount of money. That is why 30 paise was nothing for him. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. So this is the time that the bus took to cover 6 miles from the village to the town. On reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, she would return home on the same bus. So एक और चीज that she found कि अगर she traveled by the bus, went to the town, वो उस बस से पहुंच गई. Now she used the same bus. She kept on sitting and gave 30 paise more to buy another ticket. तो उसी बस से she would come back to home. This meant that she could take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus, reach the town at 1:45, and to be back home by 2:45. So this was her calculation. कि अगर 1 बजे का बस लिया, she'll be reaching the town by 1:45 and she'll be back at max by 2:45. On and on went her thoughts as she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned. So in her mind, by knowing all these things, she was planning how to make a trip to the town. So what is the distance? How much is it going to cost? What is the time it is going to take? How am I going to manage all these things? So all of the things she was planning bit by bit. Okay, now let us look at some questions. What was Wali's favorite pastime? So as we have just read, Wali's favorite pastime was to look at the street and observe people. So she used to just look at the street and just observe different people, and especially she used to like watching the bus which used to travel between her village and the town. Second question, what was a source of unending joy for Wali? What was her strongest desire? So, the source of unending joy for Wali was to look at the bus and the people who traveled in the bus. And due to this, she developed a desire to travel by bus. So, her strongest desire was to travel by bus. At least she wanted to travel at least once to the town by bus. Third question, what did Wali find out about the bus journey? How did she find out these details? तो ये तो अभी किया है. She found out a lot of details that the town was 6 miles from the village. It took 45 minutes to travel to the town, and the cost of the one-way ticket was 30 paise. And if she wanted to come back by the same bus, she could just buy another ticket sitting on the same seat. So what do you think Wali was planning to do? So Wali was planning to make a journey to the town through bus. So she was planning, she gathered all the information about the trip and she was planning now to make the trip. Well, one fine spring day, the afternoon bus was just on the point of leaving the village and turning into the main highway when a small voice was heard shouting, "Stop the bus, stop the bus." and a tiny hand was raised commandingly. So one day, the afternoon bus was just about to leave the village, and it was about to turn into the main highway. So suddenly, a voice comes to stop the bus, and a tiny hand was raised. कि एक छोटे सा हाथ रेज करके someone asked to stop the bus, and by listening so the bus slowed down to a crawl. So slowed down to a crawl means कि मतलब it slowed down in speed, and it the speed was as if it was crawling, कि बहुत धीरे धीरे करके move कर रही है. So it reduced in speed, and the conductor, sticking his head out of the door, said, "Hurry then, tell whoever it is to come quickly." So the conductor asked, "ठीक है, जल्दी करो," and asked whoever wants to travel to come quickly. तो conductor ने क्या सोचा कि someone has sent this little girl to stop the bus, and an adult probably wants to travel by the bus. So what Wali says is, "It's me," shouted Wali. "I'm the one who has to get on." By now, the bus had come to a stop, and the conductor said, "Oh, really? You don't say so." "Yes, I simply have to go to the town," said Wali, still standing outside the bus. "And here's my money." She showed him some coins. "Okay, okay. But first, you must get on the bus," said the conductor, and he stretched out a hand to help her. So, this is a conversation between the conductor uh, and the girl. So Wali said that it is me who wants to travel by the bus, and she proudly said that देखो, I want to travel, and here's the money. So you can't argue with me. I am ready to pay the ticket price. So uh, the conductor then asked him कि ठीक है, but in order to travel you need to get onto the bus. So at least board the bus first. So and for that he stretched his hand out. तो छोटी बच्ची है, तो probably the conductor thought कि she needs a help in getting onto the bus. So he stretched his hand out कि हाथ पकड़ लो and get onto the bus, simple. And never mind, she said, "I can get on by myself. You don't have to help me." So look at the attitude of the girl. I mean, she is not a girl at all. She is an adult. So she doesn't like people helping her. कि मतलब who are you to help me to get on? I am grown up and I can get onto the bus myself. So she says, "I can get on by myself and you don't need to help me." The conductor was a jolly sort, fond of joking. "Oh, please don't be angry with me, my fine madam," he said. "Here, have a seat right up there in the front. Everybody move aside, please. Make a way for madam." So conductor was jolly sort. That means he liked to make fun, or he was happy sort of person. He liked to joke. So he started to play along with Wali. So when she said this, so he started pretending, "Okay, okay, madam, please don't be angry." And he offered her a seat. Here you can sit in the front, and he asked everyone, "Please get aside and make way for madam." It was the slack time of day, and there were only 6 to 7 passengers on the bus. They were all looking at Wali and laughing with the conductor. Wali was overcome with shyness. Avoiding everyone's eyes, she walked quickly to an empty seat and sat down. So it was slack time, means uh, there weren't many people in the bus at that time. So पैर में है, so less people want to travel during the afternoon. So there were only 6 to 7 passengers on the bus. So when Wali was walking down to her seat, uh, everyone was laughing along with the conductor. Why were they laughing? Because I mean, she was just an 8-year-old girl. First of all, she wants to travel by the bus all alone, and after that, she wants to be treated as an adult. कि उसकी कोई help ना करे. No one should treat her like a child, and that is why everyone was amused by looking at the girl. And when everyone was laughing, she was overcome with shyness, that she felt shy. And avoiding everyone's eyes, she walked quickly to an empty seat and sat down. So it has been written avoiding everyone's eyes. That means she didn't want to make an eye contact with anyone. कि जल्दी से, because everyone was looking at her and laughing. So she wanted to avoid that और जल्दी से जाकर बैठो so that people are stop looking at her at least. So here is a, this, an image which describes the scene. May we start now, madam? The conductor asked, smiling. Then he blew his whistle twice and the bus moved forward with a roar. Okay, after asking permission from Miss Wali, uh, the conductor asked, the conductor blew his whistle twice. So normally signal होता है ना कि if I blow a whistle twice, it is going to stop. The bus is going to stop. So it is a signal for the driver कि अगर दो बार whistle blow किया, that means you need to start moving the bus. And the bus moved forward with a roar. So it moved forward with a roar means it made a lot of sound while moving. So normally bus होता है ना जब pickup ले रहे होते हैं तो it makes sound, roaring sound. It was a new bus. Its outside painted a gleaming white. Gleaming means shiny or polished. So it was a new bus, and the outside of the bus was painted with in white color, with some green stripes along the sides. So white color tha with some green stripes. Inside, the overhead bars shone like silver. So जो overhead bar होता है, which people hold while walking inside the bus, they were silver in color. Directly in front of Wali, above the windshield, there was a beautiful clock. तो एक clock भी लगी हुई थी directly in front of Wali. The seats were soft and luxurious. So Wali is now observing different things, observing the bus. क्योंकि उसका तो it was a dream to travel in a bus. So if her dream is coming true, then she is going to enjoy it thoroughly. So she is going to observe everything minutely. Also, she was a lot curious. So starting में mention किया ना that she is a curious child. So this is a sign of curiosity. Then that you try to observe a lot of things around you. Wali devoured everything with her eyes. So devour means she consumed. तो जैसे बहुत भूख लगती है ना हम लोगों को तो you devour the entire food. तो basically you eat hurriedly. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी खाने लगते हो तो to describe that you use this particular word. Wali devoured everything with her eyes. But when she started to look outside, she found her view cut off by a canvas blind that covered the lower part of the window. So when she started to look outside, her view was cut off by a canvas blind. So a canvas blind is probably something which is used to block the window. तो blinds होते हैं जो कि लाइट को पास नहीं होने देते. तो canvas is the material. Canvas का blind बना हुआ है which covered lower half of the window. तो ये window है तो lower half is covered with the canvas blind. So she stood up on the seat and peered over the blind. So she was a short little girl. तो अभी उसको बाहर तो देखना ही है. So she stood up on the seat and started to look outside the window. So probably like this. And peered over the blind. Peered means tried to look over the blind. The bus was now going along the bank of a canal. The road was very narrow. On one side there was a canal. There was the canal, and beyond it, palm trees, grassland, distant mountains, and the blue sky. On the other side was a deep ditch, and then acres and acres of green fields. green, green, green as far as the eye could see. So Abhi, now that she is looking outside the window, she's observing what she could see outside. So what are the things that she sees? She sees बैंक ऑफ अ कैनाल. तो एक कनाल है, कनाल होता है ना, मतलब जो पानी के ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के लिए यूज होता है. तो बैंक ऑफ अ कैनाल, दैट मींस द shore of a canal, and the road that she was traveling is very narrow. On one side there was canal and beyond it, canal के beyond क्या थे? Palm trees, grassland and distant mountains. तो ये सारी चीजें she was able to see on one side, and the blue sky. And on the other side was a deep ditch. Ditch means गड्ढा कर लेते हैं ना, a big hole on the ground, so that is ditch. And then acres and acres of green fields. Oh, it was all so wonderful. Suddenly she was startled by a voice. Listen, child, said the voice. You shouldn't stand like that. Sit down. So she was startled, means she was shocked. अचानक से किसी ने बोला, and she was startled. Listen, child, you shouldn't stand like that. Sit down. So the voice asked her not to stand on the seat and to sit down. Sitting down, she looked to see who had spoken. It was an elderly man who had honestly been concerned for her, but she was annoyed by his attention. So an elderly man was sitting just nearby, and he saw कि अगर सीट के ऊपर खड़े हो गए, so she can fall. So being concerned about that she should not fall, she asked her to sit down. But what was her response? She was annoyed by her attention. Why is this old man looking at me? And I mean, she has done so much of effort, and she wants to now travel the bus. She wants to observe outside, and he is asking me to sit down. And because of this, she was annoyed. There's nobody here who's a child, she said hauntingly. I paid my 30 paise like everyone else. So with pride, she said, बच्चा कौन है यहाँ पे? Me? No. I've paid my 30 paise. बच्चे पैसे पे नहीं करते हैं. But I have paid 30 paise for the ticket. So don't call me a child. There's no one a child here. क्या यहाँ मतलब जैसे 6 to 7 people more were sitting. So probably these can be children, but not me. The conductor chimed in. Oh, sir, but this is a very grown-up madam. Do you think a mere girl could pay her own fare and travel to the city all alone? So conductor वापस आ गया मजे लेने के लिए, and he said, he tried to intervene. Don't. She is a very grown-up madam. इसको बच्चा नहीं समझने का. She is a very grown-up madam, and how exactly? How could one pay her? She could pay her own fare and travel to the city all alone. So that means she is grown up, and don't consider her to be a child. Bali shot an angry glance. Angry glance means angry look at the conductor. She shot an angry glance at the conductor and said, I'm not a madam. Please remember that. And you've not yet given me my ticket. So Bali could understand कि ये मजाक कर रहा है, मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहा है. तो she said to him, I'm not madam. Please remember that. And you still have to give my ticket. So like adults too, कि मेरी ticket अभी तक नहीं मिली है मुझे. I have paid, but I have still not got my ticket. So please give me my ticket. I'll remember, the conductor said, mimicking her tone. So same tone में, जिस tone में वाली ने कहा, तो same tone में he also replied. So everyone laughed, and gradually Wali too joined the laughter. So looking at this conversation, कि किस तरीके से Wali is replying, and the conversation between the conductor and the Wali, everyone laughed. So Wali was also, छोटा बच्चा ऐसा ही होता है, मतलब if you laugh at them, तो starting में they'll feel angry and then they'll join you laughing. The conductor punched a ticket and handed it to her. Just sit back and make yourself comfortable. Why should you stand when you have paid for a seat? तो कंडक्टर नाउ ट्राइज टू रीजन हर आउट कि ये लो भाई, हियर इज योर टिकट एंड नाउ यू नीड टू मेक योरसेल्फ comfortable. Abhi, you have purchased a ticket to sit on the to sit in the bus, right? So why are you standing then? You need to make yourself comfortable and sit down. So because I want to, she answered, standing up again. So बैठने की जगह she said, because I want to stand, that is why I am standing. But if you stand on the seat, you may fall and hurt yourself when the bus makes a sharp turn or hits a bump. That's why we want you to sit down, child. So the conductor gives more reason that it is possible that you may fall down when the bus makes a sharp turn or hits a bump. Bump means probably गड्ढे में चली जाएगी या कुछ भी स्पीड ब्रेकर जैसे आता है तो झटका लगता है बस के अंदर. So that may make Wali to fall down, and the conductor did not want that. I'm not a child, I'll tell you, she said irritably. I am 8 years old. Of course, how stupid of me, 8 years by. The bus stopped, some new passengers got on, and the conductor got busy for a time. Afraid losing her seat, Wali finally sat down. So again, she replied like an adult कि I am not a child, I tell you. I am 8 years old. कि मुझे 6-7 years का नहीं समझने का. 8 साल की हो गई हूँ मैं, and I am an adult. I am grown up. I am big enough. So the conductor continues his joking way, and he said, "Oh, कितना बेवकूफ हूँ. I didn't know that you are 8 years old." And after that, when the bus stopped, more passengers were getting on. तो और passengers आ रहे हैं, तो she had a fear कि अब तो seat चली जाएगी, so she better sit down. An elderly woman came and sat beside her. Are you all alone, dear? She asked Wali as the bus started again. So जो एक elderly woman आई and she sat beside her and she asked her whether she is all alone, she is traveling alone or not. Wali found the woman absolutely repulsive. She didn't like the woman at all. Such big holes she had in her ear lobes. So ear lobs means the lower part of the ear, जहाँ पर hole करते हैं ना for wearing an earring. And such ugly earrings in them. And she could smell the beetle from the woman. She could smell the beetle nut that the woman was chewing and see the beetle juice that was threatening to spill over her lips at any point. So why she found the women repulsive? She had very big ears and had big holes in the ear lobes. So this thing that she didn't like. And apart from that, she could smell the beetle nut. Beetle nut is जो पान खाते हैं ना, जैसे सुपारी वगैरह खाते हैं, तो that is beetle nut. So she was chewing supari or pan, and she could see the beetle juice that was threatening to spill over her lips. So she was eating pan, and it was almost about to spill out of her mouth. So understandably, she didn't like her. At any moment, who could be sociable with such a person? हाँ, so ऐसे person के साथ में किस तरीके से बात की जाए, and that is why she didn't like her. Yes, I am traveling alone, she answered curtly, and I got a ticket too. So again the same kind of attitude, the all grown up kind of attitude. Yes, she is on her own way to the town, said the conductor, with a 30 paise ticket. तो कंडक्टर इज कंटिन्यूइंग, उसका अच्छा टाइम पास हो रहा है by observing the girl. Oh, why don't you mind your own business, said Wali. But she laughed all the same, and the conductor laughed too. So why is she laughing? She says that why don't you mind your own business? But she laughed. She laughed probably because she is also proud कि उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि वो उसका मजाक उड़ा रहा है. तो the conductor is laughing because he thinks that he's joking with her, but she is laughing because she is probably happy कि उसने 30 पैसे की टिकट खरीदी है with her own money. But the old woman went on with her drivel. Drivel means nonsense talks that she was doing. Is it proper for such a young person to travel alone? Do you know exactly where you're going in town? What's the street? What's the house number? You needn't bother about me. I can take care of myself, Wali said, turning her face towards the window and staring out. So, no one was interested in talking to the woman. Probably no one, including Wali. But the woman kept on talking. So Wali replied that you please don't bother me and I can take care of myself. I am grown up, I am 8 years old, blah blah. I bought my own ticket. So please don't disturb me. And she turned her face towards the window and she started staring out. Now let us look again at some more questions. Why does the conductor call Wali madam? So the conductor is probably mocking Wali because she's acting as a grown up. So in order to mock Wali, he's calling her madam. Second, why does Wali stand up on her seat? What does she see now? So Wali stood up on the seat because the lower part of the window was covered with a canvas blind. She couldn't see outside. So that is why she stood up and now she could see what was outside the bus. So she started seeing a lot of things. Canal that the road that they were traveling on was narrow. जो भी palm trees, mountains वगैरह थे, so everything that she could see on both sides of the bus. Third question: what does Wali tell the elderly man when he calls her child? So she told her that who's the child here? I'm not a child, and I bought my own ticket. Why didn't Wali want to make friends with the elderly woman? तो ये तो अभी किया ही है कि why she didn't want to be friends. She found the woman to be a bit repulsive because of her appearance and the way she was eating betel nut. So let us continue with the poem, with the story. Her first journey, what careful, painstaking, elaborate plans she had to make for it. She had thriftily saved whatever stray coins came her way, resisting every temptation to buy peppermints, toys, balloons, and the like. And finally, she had saved a total of 60 paise. How difficult it had been, particularly that day at the village fair. But she had resolutely stifled a strong desire to ride the merry-go-round, even though she had the money. So now the author is trying to explain the process that she had to go. So the process to make the journey was very careful and painstaking to plan. तो जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन वगैरह कलेक्ट की थी, तो इट वाज केयरफुली प्लान्ड कि क्या क्या चीजें होने वाली है, कैसे कैसे करना है. एंड शी हैड मेड वेरी इलैबोरेट प्लान्स कि ये होगा तो ऐसे करेंगे. एंड शी हैड थ्रिफ्टली मींस कंजूस की तरह थोड़ा थोड़ा पैसे बचाकर. She saved whatever stray coins, जो भी इधर उधर पैसे मिलते, she used to save them, resisting every temptation. कि इसका desire ये वाला ज़्यादा strong था, तो जो बाकी desire थे, बाकी temptations थे, to buy peppermints, to buy basically sweets and toys, balloons. She resisted all those temptations, and finally she was able to save 60 paise. So it would have been very difficult for her to do all these things, and especially difficult was a village fair. तो गांव में मेला लगा है, and there was a ride, merry go round. तो merry go round में बैठकर वो होता है ना, जैसे घोड़े वाला होता है, जो घोड़े पे बैठते हो आप और वो घुमाता है आपको in circles. So that is merry go round. So she didn't even ride that, कि वो भी छोड़ दिया just because she wanted to travel by a bus, just to save the money for the tickets. After she had enough money saved, her next problem was how to slip out of the house without her mother's knowledge. But she managed this without too much difficulty. Every day after lunch, her mother would nap from about 1 to 4 or so. Wali always used these hours for her exertions as she stood looking from the doorway at her house. तो अब टाइम भी निकालना था कि हाउ टू स्लिप आउट ऑफ हर हाउस, कि मम्मी को बिना बताए जाएं तो किस तरीके से होगा, मम्मी वैसे तो नहीं लेके जाने वाली, तो इसका भी आसानी से सोल्यूशन निकाल दिया. हर मदर यूज्ड टू स्लीप एट अराउंड बिटवीन 1 to 4, 1 से 4 तक मम्मी सोएंगी, एंड दैट टाइम शी कुड स्लीप आउट. और नॉर्मली शी यूज्ड टू डू दिस, she used to plan her excursions. Excursions means हर एडवेंचर आउटसाइड द हाउस, कि जो भी एक्सकर्शन आप करते हो नॉर्मली टू एक्सप्लोर द वर्ल्ड, कि बाहर गए एंड ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लोर डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. सो शी यूज्ड टू यूज दिस टाइम कि 1 से 4 तक जब मम्मी सो रही होती थी, शी यूज्ड टू यूज दिस टू प्लान हर एक्सकर्शंस आउटसाइड. तो सारा टाइम दरवाजे पे खड़े होकर देख रही है, एंड एज सून एज मम्मी स्लीप शी यूज्ड टू स्लिप आउट. Or sometimes even ventured out into the village. Today, these same hours could be used for her first exertions outside the village. The bus rolled on, now cutting across a bare landscape, now rushing through a tiny hamlet or past an odd wayside shop. So, uh, as she's sitting on the window seat, uh, the author is now describing what all other things now she's seeing. The bus rolled on, now cutting across a bare landscape. So the landscape now was bare. That means it did not have anything grown or anything made up. So probably trees वगैरह नहीं होंगे. That is why the landscape was bare. Now rushing through a tiny hamlet. So a tiny hamlet means छोटा सा गांव होगा या कुछ घर वगैरह बने होंगे वहां पर. पास्ट अ ऑड वे साइड शॉप. तो जो रोड है उसके आसपास में क्या था, शायद कोई शॉप वगैरह बनी हुई थी. a bare landscape, that means nothing was present there. तो अलग अलग सीन आता जाता है ना, because they are traveling 6 miles. तो हर थोड़े टाइम में the landscape is going to change. Sometimes the bus seemed on a point of gobbling up another vehicle. Gobbling up means eating up. तो कई बार ऐसा लगता था कि they are going to strike. सामने से कोई व्हीकल आ रही है, तो कई बार लगता है ना कि मतलब when you're sitting at the back of this vehicle, तो it appears कि शायद ये टकरा तो नहीं जा रही है. Another vehicle that was coming towards them, or a pedestrian crossing the road. तो कई बार pedestrian road cross कर रहा होता तो ऐसे लगता कि मतलब the bus is going to ram into the pedestrian. But lo, somehow it passed on smoothly, leaving all obstacles safely behind. Trees came running towards them, but then stopped as the bus reached them, and simply stood there helpless for a moment by the side of the road before rushing away in the other direction. तो अभी ट्रीज का भी डिस्क्रिप्शन दे रहे हैं कि ट्रीज क्या थे. ट्रीज केम रनिंग टुवर्ड्स देम, तो रिलेटिव मोशन इज बीइंग एप्लीकेबल हियर. तो साइंस का कॉन्सेप्ट लगाओ. अगर इफ द बस इज मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द ट्रीज अपीयर टू बी रिलेटिवली मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द बस. तो वही डिस्क्रिप्शन हो रहा है. the trees came running towards them, and जब दोनों साथ में हो जाएंगे तो they are going to appear to be stopped, and after that before rushing away in the other direction. So relative motion है कि rather than appearing the bus appearing to be moving forward, the landscape is appearing to be moving in the opposite direction. Suddenly, Wali clapped her hands with glee. Glee means happiness. She clapped her hands with glee. A young cow, tail high in the air, was running very fast, right in the middle of the road, right in front of the bus. The bus slowed to a crawl, and the driver sounded his horn loudly again and again. But the more he honked, the more frightened the animal became, and the faster it galloped. Always right in front of the bus. तो अभी क्या हो रहा है? She started clapping her hands, and why? Because she saw a cow whose tail was high in the air. तो cow है. Let me try to draw. Assume करेंगे cow है with her tail high in the air, and she was running in front of the bus. बस पीछे एंड इट इज रनिंग, तो बस ड्राइवर क्या करेगा, ही विल ट्राई टू हॉर्न कि भाई हट जाओ, लेट मी गो, लेकिन जितना ज्यादा हॉर्न करे उतना ज्यादा ये भागे, उतना स्पीड से शी वाज रनिंग बिकॉज शी वाज फ्राइटेंड, शी वाज afraid of the bus coming before it. The faster it galloped, gallop means started to jump करते जो walk होती है ना ये four footed animals की, तो she जब दोनों पैरों से जंप कर रहे होते हैं तो that is galloping. She galloped always in front of the bus. Somehow this was very funny to Wali. She laughed and laughed until there were tears in her eyes. So she found this very funny and she laughed so much that there were tears in her eyes. उसके आंसू आने निकल गए. Hey lady, haven't you laughed enough? Called the conductor. Better save for tomorrow. At last the cow moved off the road and soon the bus came to a railroad crossing. So cow हट गई and the bus came to a railroad crossing. A speck of a train could be seen in the distance. A speck means a part of the train probably could be seen from the distance, growing bigger and bigger as it drew near. So basically observation show कर रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से now at the railroad crossing the train is coming. Then it rushed past the crossing gate with a tremendous roar and rattle, shaking the bus. So tremendous roar and rattle means the sound that the train makes while moving across the station. So जब इतनी तेज मूव कर रही होती है आसपास की जो vehicles होती हैं, they tend to shake wind के force की वजह से because of the and the vibration caused by the train. From there, it traversed a busy, well laid out shopping street and turning entered a wider thoroughfare. Just a minute, I'm receiving a call. बार-बार में call आ रहा है. तो then the bus went on and passed the train station. From there, it traversed a busy, well laid out shopping street. So after crossing the railway station, it traversed, that means it moved through a busy, well laid out shopping street. तो एक shopping street है, well laid out क्यों? Probably pre-planned है, planned है proper कि street है, वहाँ पर shops वगैरह होंगी, footpath वगैरह होगा, तो it is a well laid out कि properly constructed है. Turning entered a wider thoroughfare, and after that thoroughfare means a public road, तो और बड़े road पर it turned. Such big bright looking shops, what glittering display of clothes and merchandise, such big crowds. So now she's observing all the shops that she's seeing on the road. Struck dumb with wonder. So struck dumb means कि वो है ना, एक मुहावरा है हिंदी में, हक्के बक्के रह जाना, मतलब not being able to speak. She was so surprised. Wali gasped at everything. Then the bus stopped and everyone got off except Wali. So finally the bus reached the bus stop and everyone got off except Wali. Wali बैठी रही. So the conductor asked her, "Hey lady, aren't you ready to get off? This is as far as your 30 paise takes you." So जो 30 पैसे आपने दिए हैं, so this is the maximum that it is going to take you. यहीं पे आपको उतरना पड़ेगा. No, Wali said, "I'm going back on the same bus." She took another 30 paise from her pocket and handed the coins to the conductor. तो जो भी प्लान किया था कि I'll be using the same bus to go back, तो वही किया उसने. She bought another ticket for the 30 paise. Why? Is something the matter? No, nothing's the matter. I just feel like having a bus ride. That's all. So the conductor asked, "कि भाई कुछ बात है? मतलब that you need to go back." So she explains that there's no problem. There's no nothing. Nothing's the matter. And I just wanted to have a bus ride. That is why I came here. Don't you want to have a look at the sights now that you're here? All by myself. Oh, I'd be much too afraid. So the conductor asked कि भाई यहाँ पर आयो at least have a look at the sight seeing ही कर लो और कुछ नहीं तो but she replied कि अकेले नहीं I'm too much afraid for this कि माना I am grown up but I am afraid of traveling all by myself. Greatly amused by the girl's way of speaking, the conductor said, "But you weren't afraid to come in the bus. Nothing is to be afraid about that. Well then, why not go to the stall over there and have something to drink? Nothing to be afraid of about that earlier. That either. Oh no, I couldn't do that. Well then, let me bring you a cold drink." So she said that I'm not afraid of traveling by the bus. कि इसमें डरने की कोई बात नहीं है, लेकिन वो अगर साइट सीइंग करनी है तो वो डरने की बात है. तो कंडक्टर आस्क कि भाई सामने ही स्टॉल है, so why don't you get something to drink? क्योंकि 45 मिनट हो गए हैं और जर्नी and it is going to take more time to get back. So why don't you go and buy a drink? So she says, I couldn't do that. I don't want to do that, to go to the stall, whatever. तो कंडक्टर ऑफर कर देता है कि ठीक है, if you don't want to go, I'll get you the drink. No, I don't have enough money. Just give me my ticket. That's all. So she probably didn't want to buy the cold drink because she didn't have any money. It'll be my treat and not cost you anything. No, she firmly said. Please, no. The conductor shrugged and they waited until it was time for the bus to begin the return journey. Again, there weren't many passengers. So when the conductor offered her to buy a cold drink, she refused that as well. No means no. I don't want the cold drink. So the conductor shrugged. Shrugging means doing like this. He shrugged. ठीक है भाई, मर्जी है तुम्हारी. And after some time, the bus began its return journey. And in its return journey also, there weren't many passengers. So let us just look at these questions as well. How did Wali save up money for her first journey? Was it easy for her? So Wali saved her first money for her first journey by thriftily collecting coins. Thoda karke she saved up, and she resisted all the temptations. She didn't buy toys, she didn't buy sweets and all, and she didn't even ride the merry-go-round when during the village fair. And it was not easy for her. It was very difficult because she had to resist all her temptations. Second, what did Wali see on her way that made her laugh? So Wali saw a cow with her tail in the air running in front of the bus. So that made her laugh. Why didn't she get off the bus at the bus station? She didn't get off at the bus because she wanted to go back by the same bus. Why didn't Wali want to go to the stall and have a drink? Probably she didn't have money. That is why she didn't want to go to the stall. And number two, probably she was scared कि दूर जाना पड़ेगा. That is why. कहीं बस ना निकल जाए. तो बहुत सारे चीजें होती हैं inside a mind of a child. What does this tell you about her? So this tells us that probably she was scared that she might get lost or the bus may leave, and also that probably that she wanted to buy on her own. She didn't have money. That is why she didn't go and buy. और उसका वो पहले से प्लानिंग था कि she is just going to travel by the bus. उससे अलावा और कोई प्लान नहीं था, and she wanted to stick by the plan. Moving ahead, won't your mother be looking for you? The conductor asked when he gave the girl her ticket. No one will be looking for me, she said. The bus started, and again there were some same wonderful sights. तो the conductor asked कि मम्मी नहीं ढूंढ रही होंगी क्या तुम्हें? So she said, no, no one is going to be looking out for me. क्योंकि इसका तो प्री प्लान है, मम्मी तो सो रही हैं. Wali wasn't bored in the slightest and greeted everything with the same excitement she felt the first time. तो वापस जाते हुए she saw the same things and she was equally excited. उसको उतना ही मजा आ रहा था by looking at the same things while she was going back. But suddenly she saw a young cow lying dead by the roadside, just where it had been struck by some fast-moving vehicle. So जो cow that was moving in front of the bus, now she saw the same cow lying dead by the roadside. So probably some fast moving vehicle came and it hit the cow. So now the cow was dead. Isn't that the same cow that ran in front of the car, in front of the bus on a trip to the town? She asked the conductor. The conductor nodded and she was overcome with sadness. So she asked the conductor whether it is the same cow कि वही वाली है कि जो पहले भाग रही थी. And the conductor nodded. And now she was overcome with sadness. She became very sad. What had been a lovable, beautiful creature just a while ago had now suddenly lost its charm and its life and looked so horrible, so frightening as it lay there, legs spread-eagled, a fixed stare in its lifeless eyes, blood all over. Now she could realize कि अभी तक जो मतलब it was a beautiful creature and she loved at looking at her. She laughed a lot looking at her. जो कुछ टाइम तक अभी तक it was alive. Now it is dead and it is now looking lifeless and horrible. Its legs spread around and blood spilled all over. The bus moved on. The memory of the dead cow haunted her. Now she was disturbed by the memory of the dead cow, dampening her enthusiasm. So now she was not as enthusiastic to look outside. She no longer wanted to look outside out of the window. She sat thus glued to her seat until the bus reached her village at 3:40. So she didn't get up, she didn't look outside the window, and she was merely sitting at her seat. She stood up and stretched herself. Then she turned to the conductor and said, "Well, sir, I hope to see you again." So when the bus reached at 3:40, she stood up and told the conductor, "He hope to see you again." "Okay, madam," he answered her, smiling. "Whenever you feel like a bus ride, come and join us, and don't forget to bring your fare." She laughed and jumped down the bus. Then away she went, running straight to home. तो ये सब बोलने के बाद में she went to home. When she had entered her house, she found her mother awake and talking to one of Wali's aunts, the one from South Street. So Wali की मम्मी was up and she was talking with one of Wali's aunt from South Street. तो आसपास में ही होगा. This aunt was a real chatterbox. So she is giving her opinion about her aunt. The aunt was real chatterbox. That means she used to talk a lot, never closing her mouth once she started talking. "And where have you been?" said her aunt when Wali came in. She spoke very casually, not expecting a reply. तो ऐसे casually पूछ लिया, अच्छा कहाँ पर थे? And she didn't expect a reply. छोटी बच्ची क्या reply करेगी? So Wali just smiled, and her mother and aunt went on with their conversation. "Yes, you're right," her mother said. "So many things in our midst and in the world outside. How can we possibly know about everything? And even when we do know about something, we often can't understand it completely. Can we?" "Oh, yes," breathes Wali. So now there was conversation between Wali's mother and Wali's aunt. तो क्या बात कर रहे हैं कि there are many things between us and in the outside world which we cannot understand and we possibly cannot know everything about it. तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं in the world which we don't know about, and when we do know about something we often can't understand it completely. तो अगर जानते नहीं है तो understanding it completely is always not possible. हाँ, तो वाली इससे एग्री करती है, हाँ you're right about this. So her mother asked, "What?" asked her mother. "Was that